We use tools every day. Hammers, saws, computers, they're all extensions of our own abilities, helping us build, create, and sometimes destroy. Guns are no different. They're tools with a serious purpose. Understanding how they're made, from the first spark of an idea to the finished product, is crucial. It's not about glorifying them, it's about respecting the craftsmanship and the serious responsibility they carry. The journey of a gun, from raw materials to a functioning firearm, is a testament to human ingenuity and precision. It's a process that demands meticulous attention to detail, a deep understanding of physics and engineering, and a healthy dose of respect for the power these tools possess. This isn't about glorifying guns, it's about understanding them. It's about appreciating the skill that goes into making them and acknowledging the serious responsibility that comes with owning and using them. Before the first spark flies in the workshop, a firearm begins its life as an idea. Designers, engineers, and gunsmiths collaborate to create blueprints. These aren't just sketches, they are detailed technical drawings. They dictate every dimension, tolerance, and mechanism of the firearm. The design stage is about more than just functionality. It's about safety too. Designers carefully consider how the firearm will operate, how it will be handled, and how to minimize the risk of accidents or malfunctions. Every pin, spring, and groove serves a specific purpose, meticulously planned to ensure the firearm functions reliably and safely. This meticulous planning is essential, because even the slightest deviation from the blueprint can have significant consequences. Firearms are crafted from a variety of materials, each chosen for its unique properties. Steel, known for its strength and durability, forms the core components like the barrel, slide, and receiver. Aluminum, valued for its lightweight nature, often finds its place in frames and other parts where weight reduction is crucial. Modern firearms often incorporate polymers, prized for their corrosion resistance and lightweight nature, in grips, frames, and magazines. The choice of material isn't arbitrary, it's a carefully calculated decision based on the intended use of the firearm, the desired weight and balance, and the overall design principles. Each material plays a crucial role in the firearm's performance, reliability, and longevity. With the blueprint as a guide, skilled machinists take raw materials and transform them into the intricate components of a firearm. Using computer-controlled machining, CNC equipment, they cut, mill, and drill metal with incredible precision. These machines operate with tolerances often measured in thousandths of an inch, ensuring each part fits together flawlessly. But it's not just about technology. Experienced machinists bring an artisan's touch to the process, carefully monitoring the machining process, making minute adjustments, and ensuring the final product meets the exacting standards required for a firearm. This blend of technology and human skill is crucial in transforming raw materials into the precise components that will eventually become a functioning firearm. Section 5. The Art of Assembly Craftsmanship and Quality Control. Once the individual components are machined, the firearm begins to take shape during the assembly process. This is where skilled gunsmiths bring together their knowledge, experience, and steady hands to assemble the firearm. It's a meticulous process, often requiring specialized tools and fixtures to ensure each part is correctly installed and fitted. The assembly process isn't just about putting pieces together like a puzzle. It's about understanding the intricate interplay between each component, ensuring they function in harmony. Gunsmiths meticulously inspect each part, checking for imperfections, burrs, or any deviations from the blueprint. This attention to detail is paramount, as even the slightest flaw during assembly can affect the firearm's performance, reliability, and safety. Section 6. Trial by fire testing and calibration for performance. A firearm, even meticulously assembled, is only as good as its ability to perform reliably and accurately. That's where testing and calibration come in. Every firearm undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets strict industry standards and safety regulations. This process involves test firing the firearm with various types of ammunition, analyzing its performance, and making any necessary adjustments. Calibration is another critical aspect of the testing phase. This involves fine-tuning the firearm's sights, trigger pull, and other components to ensure it shoots accurately and consistently. This meticulous process ensures that the firearm performs as intended, delivering accuracy and reliability when it matters most. The testing and calibration phase is the ultimate quality control measure, guaranteeing that the firearm is ready for its intended purpose. Section 7 safeguards against tragedy built-in safety features. Firearms are designed with safety as a paramount concern. Modern firearms often incorporate multiple safety features to prevent accidental discharges and ensure responsible use. These features can include manual safeties, drop safeties, and firing pin blocks. Manual safeties, often located on the frame or slide, allow the user to physically block the trigger or firing mechanism, preventing the firearm from firing. Drop safeties are designed to prevent the firearm from firing if it's accidentally dropped. These mechanisms often involve a component that disengages the firing pin unless the trigger is pulled, preventing inertial forces from causing an accidental discharge. Firing pin blocks are another safety feature found in many modern firearms. These mechanisms prevent the firing pin from moving forward and striking the primer unless the trigger is pulled. These safety features, while not foolproof, are crucial in mitigating the risk of accidents and promoting responsible firearm handling. Section 8. Personalizing the tool customization and aesthetics. While functionality and safety remain paramount, many firearm owners choose to personalize their firearms through customization. This can range from practical upgrades to purely aesthetic modifications. Grips, often the primary point of contact for the shooter, can be replaced with different materials, textures, or sizes to improve comfort and control. Sights, crucial for aiming, can be upgraded to enhance visibility or precision. Some owners opt for engravings or custom finishes on their firearms, adding a personal touch or commemorating a special event. Customization options are vast, allowing firearm owners to tailor their tools to their individual preferences and needs. Section 9. The final test, inspection, and quality assurance. Before a firearm leaves the factory and makes its way into the hands of a consumer, it undergoes a final inspection process. This critical step ensures that the firearm meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Experienced inspectors meticulously examine every inch of the firearm, checking for any manufacturing defects, cosmetic imperfections, or functional issues. They test the firearm's functions, ensuring that the safety mechanisms operate correctly, the action cycles smoothly, and the trigger pull meets specifications. This rigorous inspection process is the last line of defense against a potentially defective firearm reaching the market. It's a testament to the commitment of firearm manufacturers to producing safe, reliable, and high-quality products. Section 10. From factory to field, the weight of responsibility. The journey of a firearm, from a blueprint to a finished product, is a testament to human ingenuity, precision, and craftsmanship. But it's crucial to remember that the process doesn't end there. Owning a firearm is a serious responsibility, one that extends far beyond understanding its mechanical intricacies. It's about respecting the potential power of these tools and acknowledging the consequences of their use. Responsible firearm ownership encompasses secure storage, proper handling, ongoing training, and a deep understanding of the legal and ethical implications of using a firearm. It's about recognizing that firearms are not toys, but tools that demand our utmost respect and caution. Section 11. Understanding the craft, respecting the power. The creation of a firearm is a complex and fascinating process. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the ability to shape metal into tools of remarkable precision. But understanding how firearms are made is only part of the equation. It's equally important to recognize the responsibility that comes with owning and using these tools. Firearms are not inherently good or evil, they are tools, capable of great good or great harm, depending on the hands that wield them. By understanding the craftsmanship, respecting the power, and embracing responsible ownership, we can strive to ensure that these tools are used safely, ethically, and for their intended purpose.